This video is brought to you from the Digital Bees at the Co-operative Bank. We will be talking to you about 5 simple computer tips and tricks that you can use to make your life a little bit easier.
Tip 1. For Windows computers and laptops, hit the Windows key plus L to lock your screen. It's a lot quicker than Ctrl-Alt-Delete because you need to enter, and quite often we forget. Tip 2. Double-click in the top left of an open window on your computer or laptop to close it quickly. Tip 3. To take a screenshot, hit Windows plus Shift plus S on a Windows computer or Command plus Shift plus 4 on an Apple computer.
Tip 4. Don't lose your work. Regularly hit save while you're working or use a tool like Google Docs or Google Sheets, which will auto-save regularly. It's also a good idea to back up your work regularly and often. There's nothing worse than losing your hard work, and this simple tip can save you a massive headache. Tip 5. Finding information in a huge document or web page. Just press Ctrl and F and type the word or phrase you're looking for to cut through the noise. This works on most Microsoft Office and PDF documents, as well as on web pages if you're browsing the internet.